So now we have the roles reversed, and I'm in the student chair, and you're going to dictate the sentence to me, Jenny.
Jackson likes apples, but Sarah prefers oranges.
Jackson likes apples. I'm just going to repeat it before I write. Jackson likes apples, but Sarah prefers oranges. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay, just pause it while I write. You can push play again.
I did.
Okay. So task number 2 is check mechanics correctly.
Mom, just...
We're done. So now I'm going to do task number 2, which is checking my mechanics. If I look back at this sentence, I see that I've missed that pesky comma because I've got 2 independent clauses. Okay. So then task number 3 is labeling it. Now I'm going to do this one a little bit differently because since I've learned Latin, I go through my questions a little bit differently. In Latin, I like to find my verb first. So I say, where are my verbs? And I see this is my verb and this is my verb. I've got 2 verbs. So there's likely with a connecting word. So I like to circle my connecting words. And then that tells me I might have 2 independent clauses. So I'm going to look and see. And I'm going to ask myself, who or what likes? Jackson likes. So I'm going to label that as my subject. I'm going to ask myself, who or what prefers? Sarah prefers. I'm going to label that as my subject. I can see that they're both nouns, not pronouns.
Why do you do the N really small?
Just because it's just a labeling thing. It's not part of the pattern. It's not part of the sentence pattern. It's just kind of a labeling thing. So then I ask myself, is this verb transferring on to anything? Is the action transferring on to anything? Yes. What does he like? He likes apples. So that is going to be my direct object, the object of his liking. What is the object that Sarah prefers? The oranges. So I'm going to label that as the direct object. That tells me that both of these verbs are transitive. Again, that's lowercase, just labeling the verb. So that's how I do my question confirmation. So far, it gets a little bit more complicated later, but I like to find the verb.
What about the diagramming?
Oh yes, the diagramming. So I make my line. Ooh, I'm going to have 2 lines. Oh.
Number 4, diagram.
Diagramming confirmation.
Mom, that's not how you do it.
Well.
Now you can talk.
Jackson likes, and this is going to be my direct object, apples, but Sarah, and this has to connect the verbs. Prefers, what does she prefer? Oranges.
I prefer oranges.
Okay. That's all, folks.